Hello everyone, my name is Akshaya. I am a biomedical engineer. I pursued my bachelor's in biomedical engineering at Chennai, and I did my master's in biomedical engineering from New Jersey Institute of Technology, New Jersey. And currently I work as a biomedical engineer at world's largest medical device company, Medtronic. My journey to the US was very challenging. Like at each and every step, I had a lot of challenges. I had my first F1 rejection, and then I did go through OPT rejection, and then I did go through H1B rejection the first time, and then I got my visas the second time. So I'm here to share my experience. So when I was in my third year, I started preparing for my GRE and TOEFL. It did take 6 months to 1 year. You need to take that seriously, and it's not very easy. You have to take it seriously and spend some time preparing GRE apart from your semester assignments and exams. And I think starting from third year will be the right thing, as everyone says so. And apart from preparing for your GRE and TOEFL, you need to research about the colleges, the universities in the US. What is your goal? Like, which field are you planning to pursue your master's in? And you need to, you just can't look at colleges that you like. Colleges that you like is different from what you want to pursue. So you have to look at the details. So the details, as in, will the college provide scholarship? Or in which area the college is located? Do you have job market scope in that area once you graduate? And of course, the ranking matters too. So you need to choose at least 5 colleges, apply to those 5 colleges, and wait until you hear from the college admission teams. And why I said research is this will be your one of the visa interview questions, like why specifically this college. So for that, you need to know about the details of the college rather than saying this is a great college, I like the college location, or I like the faculty member. Because the next question will be like, you're in India and how will you know about the faculty member? And another thing is, like you have so many, especially the fields of IT or computer science, there are tons of scope back in India, but they will ask you why specifically United States, why not you pursue your masters in India or any other country. So for that, you need to have solid research and lot of details. So, and once you get your F1 visa, coming to the US, getting a on-campus job is not very easy because the number of on-campus positions available is really less, or I would say it's very handful, and it's highly competitive. There are a lot of students waiting to get a on-campus job. So I will say you need to be prepared and have full funding. You can't rely on your CPT job, the salary that you will get, or your summer internships. And you have to have full funding for the entire 2 years just in case to be safe. And also, when you're reaching out to professors regarding lab positions or thesis work or some projects or pursuing a PhD, I think you need to do a lot of research about the professor's work and the other students who are pursuing their PhD or thesis. You need to know about on what topics he's working, and you need to communicate with the professor saying that how serious are you about this position, how passionate are you about this position and doing this thesis or project. And also you have this right skill set, and you are a valuable team member if he chooses you. So I think when you communicate this way, it works better than a regular cut copy email inquiring about scholarships and thesis. The professor will not even look at the email and respond to you, or he will just send you a generic response. So this way, this email or in-person communication will show how passionate and serious are you about the position, and also it will make him or her think that you are a valuable addition to his team. The same concept applies to jobs. It's not like one resume that you hit send to 100 jobs. So you need to look at the company profile, see what kind of products they make and what kind of roles they have, and which role aligns you the best, and go through the job description. And based on the role that you're applying, you need to modify the career objective, the experiences that you showcase, the skill set. Make sure you're not writing or exaggerating stuff, but just stick to your original bachelor's and master's experience. And if not, if you had worked for a couple of years, just stick to it, but make sure you change and align your resume and cover page for each and every job that you apply. It has to be unique. Back in like 10 years ago, like, we did not have LinkedIn or Facebook for communicating with your seniors and alumni in that aspect, not for jobs. But right now you have tons of information. I think you should use them at the right way. So there are a lot of groups that will help you land in a job. Networking is very easy these days. As I said, getting an on campus job is challenging, getting your first job is also challenging. On an average, I would say for core STEM field students, it takes 4 to 6 months. I'm not talking about IT or computer science. They have tons of positions, and it's much easier, I would say, compared to the core biomedical or industrial pharmaceutical engineers. Don't get dejected if you don't hear from any recruiter or from the hiring managers. It happens, but you just have to focus on your goal and ask yourself, why did you come here and what's your goal? So, whatever I told applies to the students who really want to stick in their domain, stick to their profession, and shine, get a job and shine and settle in that field. But there is also the easy way out or other way route. Like, you can just do a mechanical engineering degree and then you can become an IT consultant, or you can just go to some random consultancy. Like, it took me 5-6 years to land in the number one company. Always remember this. Just ask yourself, am I not capable of getting a job in my core field? I will definitely say there are a lot of other students or engineers who do stick to their career, who do stick to their domain of field. It's not easy, it's challenging, but you can do it if you have the willpower to do it. All the best and good luck. Also, I forgot to mention one thing. Prepare for your visa interview thinking like it's your first job interview, because I've heard embassy officers asking basic engineering fundamentals questions, definitions from your engineering concept.